just picture an AI tool that can help you design UI and UX, the front end of websites and back ends. Also help you write the front end code, so that the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. And the most amazing part is the AI is 100% free. Now let me introduce you to what we call Google Stitch AI, which was launched by Google May 2025. This is the most amazing tool on the internet now. It's sweet because you can use it to design and create UI and UX of websites. I also move them to no-code tools like Anti-Gravity, Google AI Studio, and even Figma. That's how amazing this tool is. So let's dive right in. On this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to generate professional looking UI and UX designs with Google AI Studio. So first things first, when you come to the interface, this is what it looks like. You just go to Stitch, just type stitch dot google.com. So stitch with google.com. Just type stitch with google.com. Once you type stitch with google.com, takes you to the amazing front end page. So here at my left is where you see your past projects. The past project for I've used it a lot, did a lot of experience and practicals with it. This is where you see your past projects saved with you. And remember, this is also a beta version. I think that's another reason why it's free. So enjoy it while it lasts. And in this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to build and design with Google Stitch AI. On the main screen, you see this starts a new app or website. So you can toggle between app or website. It can design app or website layouts for you for free. Now, the worst thing you're going to do, and the worst mistake you're going to ever make, is to just come here and tell it, design a mobile app screen for a ride sharing app, and just give it to design. That's the worst thing you're gonna ever do. Just give a vague prompt. I'm gonna basically teach you something very critical, which is simple prompt engineering. And I have always had just two rules in writing one of the best prompts. And one of the first rules is always prompt AI with AI. The second rule is when you prompt AI, make sure you give it details and make sure you talk to it like you're talking to a fellow human being, or you're talking to a staff employee to perform a specific task for you. So this is just a very vague prompt. So if you just give it this, it's going to give you a very beautiful design, funny enough. But the thing is, it's not going to give you what you want because you did not tell it what you want. So for it to give you what you want, you have to make your prompt as detailed as possible. So remember my first rule. My first rule is prompting AI with AI. So before we go to the AI we're going to use in prompting this Google and Google Stitch AI, I want to show you one or two things on the interface before we dive right into the prompting. Now, see this button, you can upload files, you can put website URL. Now this is the amazing part. You can put pictures and tell it, oh, this is the UI of a website. I want you to take designs from this or design elements from this UI and put it in this new design I want to do. You can also put website references, so you can get a website, very beautiful website, put it as a reference and tell you to create UI that looks exactly or almost like this website or have the same design elements and themes with that particular website you show it. So basically like cloning the UI of another website or just copying few things. So you can put it through your prompt to tell you what to do. That is the sweet part. And now it's using Gemini 3.0, and 3.0 is one of the best Gemini and version that been released so far. So it's very, very excellent, and it also has access to what called Google Nano Banana. Nano Banana is Google tool that is built for creating images, imaginary images. Very, very, very beautiful tool. So now you see that there are two major things here. There's the 3 Flash and there's the 3.1 Pro. So 3.1 Pro is one that's going to take time. 3 Flash is going to be very fast. So we're going to be using the two. Then we have the redesign, we have the idea, bring problems to so you can test them out. I'm also teaching you, today's video I'm teaching you how to actually create designs. So now let's dive right into using the tool. So my favorite tool for this is ChatGPT, but you can use any other language model. So you can use Gemini, normal Gemini. You can use ChatGPT. You can even use Cloud. But I prefer ChatGPT. I say I've gotten used to ChatGPT, so I'm using it. Now, note this video is not sponsored by ChatGPT or Google Stitch AI. It is just a tutorial video teaching you how to use Google Stitch AI to create amazing UI and UX of websites. So now we have Google Stitch AI. Now let's just say we want to design the mobile screen, the screens for a ride sharing app. A ride sharing app just like Uber, so I can control exit. So I'll tell it now. Remember, first rule is use AI to perform for AI. Second rule is make sure you talk to AI like you're talking to an engineer or someone who you employ, that you're giving instructions to perform particular tasks for you. So now I want you to help me create or write. That is all right. Write a very detailed Google Stitch AI prompt for Google Stitch AI to create the UI screens of a professional ride sharing app like Uber and Bolt. Now I want to tell you brand color. So I want the brand. Let's use red. I don't think I've seen a red ride sharing app before. So I want the brand color to be majorly red. Then add majorly red. Then add another color that would match red to be the secondary color. Use modern designs like glassmorphism. Let's use glassmorphism to make sense for this. So like glassmorphism, think just glassmorphism, and give it a premium feel and look. So I think this is enough. But if I'm to actually do this for a client, I'm going to be making more detail. So like we're not going to talk about the name of the product. The name of the ride sharing app is Tech Bus Rides. So this is Tech Bus OC. So we're talking about Tech Bus Rides. So we are going to do this for a client or for a big project. You have to be as detailed as possible to put the names of the pages. It's also create the admin screens for you. That's which part. This is very crazy stuff. So let's go on. Send it. Let ChatGPT do its work. So give it some minutes. Give it some minutes. Now you see prompts. I'll copy from here. Design a modern, premium, and visually stunning mobile UI for you. And following tech bus rides. App should have same level of polish, usability, and specific. I share like Uber and Bolt. Brand identity. Tech bus rides. The premium red. No, there's normal red and there's premium red. The secondary color is dark charcoal / graphite. Red always goes with dark color like black. That's so premium. I only feel the vibe from here. Then we have the accent color, which is soft white and glass frost. I just hope it's awesome as they are doing it. So I think it's done. We don't have much time to go through the prompts in detail. So let's just copy it first. So don't go and copy this part. Make sure you copy at the last part, the deliverables. So once written, ChatGPT always does is it lists out the names of the screens. So first one is a splash screen, which is very important. It's an app. Mobile app usually have a splash screen. That first screen you see, you open a mobile app. Then you have the onboarding screen, login and sign up, homepage, right confirmation screen. It breaks down the screens, tells what he wants it to show on the screens. So believe me, I don't think a normal human being will have the time to be able to create all these things in a very short time. It helps you save time. Now let's take it back to Google Stitch. We just simply paste it. Now, 3.0 Flash is actually fast, as the name implies, Flash. But if you want high quality UI screens, you have to use 3.0 Pro. That's just it. So when you use 3.0, it takes time. So you just click it, click on send, and what it do is magic. Okay. So it's going through it and get our screens in a minute. So while we wait, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because if you don't subscribe to this channel, you're not going to see amazing tutorials like this again. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have questions or you have any video you want me to create next, make sure you drop it down in the comment section and I'll create the video next for you. This tech boss OC. So let's continue our video. Now, that's created for 4 screens first. Now, what I also observed is if you're using 3.1 Pro, it creates lesser screens, because when you talk about quality, you spend if quality versus quantity. If you want to get quality, you have to reduce the quantity so you can focus on fewer things and do it better. But if I'm using Flash, you can create 10 screens at once. So yes, create 10 screens at once. But this creates only 4 screens at once, but create high quality screens. You can see generating. Just wait patiently while it does its job. As waiting, you can get a bowl of anything, a bowl of popcorn, and relax, chill. It does the job. This is what actually takes UI and UX designers weeks and months to come up with, and you can just do it in few minutes. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. And then at the end of this video, I'll be asking one very important question. I would love to hear your answer in the comment section. So, wow, it's done. So these are the screens. The screens are ready. The first 4 screens. We have more screens to create. For the sake of time and to make this video, I don't want to make the video too long. We will not create the remaining screens. We'll just work with this. I'll tell you what to do to create the remaining screens. It's very simple and straightforward. So let's check out the screens that was created. Now the sweet thing is, each of these screens has the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, all the front-end codes. I'll just show you how to export it directly to your system. Now let's see the first screen. I don't like the fact that they use red on red, so we can also correct it. You don't use red on red, it's not contrasting. Write smarter, move smart, move faster, initializing premium experience. So this is very good, powered by TechBoss AI. Very interesting shit. Now, when you look here, this is book a ride instantly. You click on next. This is very sweet. So this is login screen. Put your phone number. Very simple login. I love straightforward logins. And you see the sticky menu bar down here. This is a very beautiful sticky menu bar. Then the major screen. This is where you book the ride. Very straightforward. This is mind blowing. It's very sincere. Mind blowing. Though in the beginning, the splash screen, I don't like the splash screen. It could be better, but this is mind blowing. Now, what I want to tell you is, you remember that when we wrote this prompt, there are 14 screens in general, driver app screens, 14 screens in general, but it gave us only 4 screens, these first 4 screens. These first 4 screens. So what we're going to do now, you can tell it something as simple. Tell it something like, you see what, design the ride configuration and driver start screens. Now, instead of using that their prompt, let's tell it design the remaining, just simple, remaining screens. Then prompt it, starts its work. Now, to export these screens, there's so many ways to export it, depending on what you want to export it to. So now, the sweetest part and the latest feature just added this way to the C is the fact that you can export the screens to Figma. So maybe you charge a client $1,000 to deliver these UI screens, and the client say, okay, design you the Figma screens for me, blah blah blah. You just come here, you first of highlight everything, you click on export, then you see all the options. AI Studio is a Google coding tool. Figma, you can go to Figma and show your client that yes, you delivered their Figma UI screens. So many clients don't know about these tools, so just feel you actually did it from scratch with hand. You can make good cash with that. Jules also Google AI coding tool. Zip, which will having a primitive way. I was using Zip last year. So Zip is the most popular. And then MCP is if you want to put it in a coding tool with just the API. So you can use MCP. If you use MCP to put it on 3AI, you can use it to put it on anti-gravity, you can use it to put it on even VS Code. So if you want to put it on VS Code directly, so you can use MCP to directly to VS Code and start building your website from there. The UI is already done for you. So then these are just the ways to export it. So if you click on zip, you know it's where your zip file, you just need to extract it and get your codes. And if you extract it, it comes in two ways. It comes with, let me just extract and show you. It comes, so this is creating mini screens. Wow, this is amazing. Creating mini screens. Everyone needs to create these more screens at once. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it's basically 10. So you've downloaded the see it's downloaded as Stitch, it's Stitch.zip. So when we open Stitch.zip, open Stitch.zip, when we open it, so I'm gonna open from here. So come here. Now I'll go to my file manager. So I will simply go to downloads. Then I click it, I left click, right click, sorry, to see the options. So I can simply extract it, just extract files. I click simply extract it, wait for the magic to happen. Okay, it's done. So here's where we'll find our files. I want to show you this because maybe you might not know how to use it when you're done. So just I'm doing this. So this is the 4 screens that were created. Now if you open any screen, it's named properly. That's one sweet thing I like about it. Name the screens properly. Very, very important. So you don't misplace them. So this is the login screen. So when you open the login screen, you see 2 files, the code.html and the screen.png. The screen.png is just the image. The code.html is what you now use to build your website. So if you want to build a website yourself, that's how it works. So we can see the other screens are done. This is awesome and mind-blowing. This is really, really mind-blowing. Now, so this is actually awesome and amazing. Now you can see the top summary. So thank you for writing. This is after I said my wallet, you can user can deposit, rider progress. So you can see your street progress. You can see yourself in the map moving. It's a great Google Maps to make all this work. So finding driver, payment method, profile setting, ride confirmation, driver dashboard. Is this not beautiful? Like, tell me that this is not beautiful. This is not beautiful. Now you see that we just made this very simply and easily using just simple process, an AI tool that can help us write the prompt, which I use ChatGPT in this case. We create the prompt based on Google Stitch AI to give us the screens. This is how simple and awesome it is. This is how simple and awesome it is. I've also showed you how to export the app. So I said I'll ask a question at the end of this video. Now, do you think this AI tool, Google Stitch AI, is going to actually take the job of UI and UX designers? So tell me on the comment section. And what's one quick tip? You can use this to make crazy money. Let me just give you a tip on how to make money with this. Now, to make money with this, you can go online, like simple as going to Google, search for businesses near me. So go to Google, search for businesses near me. You find those businesses that have maybe even a website. You can promise to build an app or something for them, or website for them. Come to this to get the UI screens. Show them that this is, get the UI screens. I also put the logo. If you put it take it to Figma, you can put the logo of the company. Tell them that this is a proposed website or app design you want to build for them, and they can pay you because actually you've shown them that you actually do something beautiful and amazing for them. So try this, just try it out. And I want to see your feedback in the comment section. Actually use this last month to make a whooping $12,000 just by building 2 websites for 2 different clients. Though I just tried it out to see if it works. So you try it out and see if it works, then I'll see you in the next video. This tech boss OC. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.